Aha!
Chitter chatter! Look, Ducky, harvest time!
Ooh!
All right, little ducky, let's do this. Ooh, ooh, Cheep.
Ooh, tough one. But Max is tougher. Chitter!
Ooh, fresh pepper. Almost full.
Quack! Quack!
Chitter, chitter!
Chitter! Cheap.
Whoa! Heavy, but good for soup. Chitter!
Chattering!
Careful, careful.
Small pieces for big soup. Chitter, chitter! Mmm, perfect! Cheep, cheep!
This smells good. Spice! Yum, yum! Perfect! Ah, best soup ever! Chitter chatter! Good morning, Ducky. So much to do.
Perfect place for our breakfast, Ducky!
Another beautiful day, Ducky. Chitter chatter!
Ducky?
What's wrong? Chitter!
Oh no, Sheldon is stuck. Chitter chatter.
Too heavy. We need bigger help.
Come on, Ducky, to the shed. Chitter chitter.
Big machine! How does it work? Quack! Quack! Go, Max, go! Almost got it. Chitter! Grrr. Not working! Try again. Yes! tight, Ducky. Rescue time. Here we go. Chipper. Hold steady, Ducky. Almost there.
Careful, careful. Chitter.
Almost. Got it, Sheldon.
Thank you, Max.
You're safe now, Sheldon. Chitter chatter. My hero, Max. Sneaky Chitter.
Breakfast time, Ducky. Chitter.
Hey, my food! Thief! Chitter chatter! Bye-bye, Max.
Chitter. Chitter. Quack, quack. Max, look.
You're right, Ducky. We still have some.
Chitter.
Together, Ducky. Always. Chitter. Adventures make us hungry, Ducky.
Quack. Max.
Bye, Sheldon. Take care. Chitter. Another beautiful day, Ducky. Time to work.
Quack, quack.
Look at these beauties. Almost ready. Today is the day. Hey, harvest time.
Soon, Ducky, soon! So many delicious apples!
Quack.
Apples. Juicy apples. Easy does it. Don't want any bruises.
Ease pickings.
Almost full.
Mine, soon.
Just a feeling, I guess.
Too close. Just my imagination, Ducky. More apples. Almost done with this tree. Now's my chance. Hey, thief! Thief! My apples! Uh-oh.
Get away, you thief! Back! Too fast! Ha! Not this time, Milo. Quack! No harm done.
Next time, Max. Next time.
These are mine. You hear me? Quack. Fine. I'll find my own snacks.
Good job, Ducky. We saved our apples.
Quack.
Always gotta be careful, Ducky. Always.
Home sweet home, Ducky. We earled this harvest. Quack.
Almost ready for seeds.
Go on, Splash Splash.
Woohoo! Woohoo! What's wrong?
Oh no! Oh no! Trapped!
Time for the Big Digger!
Almost there, little ones. Chip. Careful, Max. Careful.
Up you go. Good, good.
Now for a little bath. All clean, little one.
Whew! Good job, Max.
My little helpers. Safe now.
Chattering.
Hoo-hoo! Happy farm!
Come on, Ducky, faster! We need to check the barn before it gets dark.
Oh dear, the water is much too high. We have to save the eggs.
We have to get this working, Ducky. The path won't clear itself.
Whoa, hold on! What did I do?
Steady, steady. We gotcha. Ooh, that was close.
Hang on tight back there. We are almost to the shed. It's much safer than the pond.
Okay, easy now.
Whoa, careful!
Whew, safe at last.